Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be showing you how you can use the accessories that come with the Adofys Flexible Gorillapod Tripod. We get two accessories that come with the tripod. One of them is a smartphone mount or a smartphone holder. It's of the spring-loaded and telescopic kind, so basically you can attach any smartphone with various widths. So to attach the smartphone mount to the Gorillapod, all you need to do is locate the 1/4 inch screw on the top of the Gorillapod and locate the 1/4 inch mount at the bottom and on the side of the smartphone holder. Next, all you need to do is align the two and screw them into place. Make sure it is nice and secure, and you're all set to shoot videos using the smartphone holder. Next up, we have a mount that is basically very familiar to people who might be using action cameras. What you need to do with this mount is basically the same as what you do with the smartphone mount. Align the 1/4 inch mount and screw and twist them nice and securely. At this point, the Gorillapod is capable of mounting any action camera that supports this kind of mount, and you can use it to shoot multiple scenarios like time lapses and long exposure shots. Thank you for watching.